Have you ever wanted to cook two different foods in your air fryer at the same time, only to realize one finishes early while the other still needs several more minutes? Or maybe you found yourself wishing your air fryer could handle multiple meals without taking up even more counter space. That's exactly the challenge the Bella 4-quart TriZone Air Fryer is trying to solve. The Bella 4-quart TriZone Air Fryer is designed for small families, couples, apartment dwellers, and busy home cooks who want more flexibility from a compact air fryer. Its standout feature is the removable divider, which lets you cook two different foods simultaneously or remove the divider to create one larger cooking space. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, this air fryer feels different from many of the generic black appliances dominating the market. The Blossom color option adds a softer, more stylish look that feels intentional rather than purely functional. Combined with the matte finish, rounded edges, and subtle design details, it brings a more modern and decorative feel to the kitchen. It looks less like a gadget and more like something designed to complement your space. The build quality feels solid for its category. The basket slides smoothly, the cool touch handles feel secure, and the digital touchscreen is easy to read without being cluttered. One detail that often gets overlooked is the cord management system. The tangle-free cord wrap helps keep countertops cleaner and more organized, which is especially useful in smaller kitchens where every inch matters. What really sets this model apart is the TriZone concept. With the divider installed, you can cook two different foods at once without mixing them together. For example, you can prepare chicken in one section and vegetables in the other. Remove the divider, and the basket becomes a single larger cooking area for bigger meals. It's a simple idea, but one that makes the air fryer far more versatile in everyday use. Performance is where this air fryer earns its place. The adjustable temperature range gives enough flexibility to handle a variety of cooking tasks, from crisping frozen snacks to roasting vegetables and reheating leftovers. Foods come out evenly cooked with the golden brown texture most people expect from an air fryer. French fries develop a satisfying crunch, chicken cooks with a nicely crisp exterior, and vegetables retain good texture without becoming overly dry. One of the most useful features is the sync button. In practical terms, it helps coordinate cooking times so different foods finish at the same time. Anyone who has ever struggled to time side dishes and main courses correctly will appreciate this feature. It removes some of the guesswork and helps make meal preparation feel more organized. The air fryer also fits comfortably into a normal daily routine. It heats up quickly, cooks efficiently, and doesn't require much attention once food is inside. Noise levels are fairly typical for an air fryer, with the fan producing a steady hum that isn't particularly distracting. For weeknight dinners, quick lunches, or meal prep sessions, it feels convenient rather than complicated. Cleanup is another strong point. The EverGood ceramic nonstick coating helps food release easily, reducing the amount of scrubbing required afterward. It's also free from PFAS, PFOA, PTFE, lead, and cadmium, which may appeal to buyers looking for alternative nonstick materials. After cooking, cleaning the basket is generally straightforward and hassle-free. Of course, there are a few limitations worth mentioning. While the dual-zone design is clever, the overall capacity is still best suited for smaller households rather than large families. If you're regularly cooking for 5 or 6 people, you may want a larger model. Additionally, because both cooking zones share the same basket space, it's not quite the same as having two completely independent baskets found on larger dual-basket air fryers. Compared to similarly priced compact air fryers from Ninja, Cosori, and Instant, the Bella TriZone stands out because of its removable divider system and stylish design. Many competitors focus on maximum capacity or smart features, while Bella focuses on flexibility and ease of use. For many households, that's a practical advantage. Overall, the Bella 4-quart TriZone Air Fryer is an excellent choice for anyone who wants more cooking flexibility without sacrificing counter space. It's especially appealing for couples, small families, and anyone looking for a stylish air fryer that solves real, everyday cooking challenges. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest product reviews. And if you're looking for a versatile air fryer that can simplify meal prep and help coordinate your cooking more efficiently, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.